Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into sequence numbers in DataStage. Think of them as your data's orderly ID badges. Without them, it's chaos. We'll explore why they matter, different ways to generate them, and help you pick the best method for your project. Stay with me, I promise. No mind-numbing tech jargon, just clear and practical insights. Hi, everyone. I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, so what's a sequence number? It's like your order number in a queue, keeps things moving smoothly. They help track data, prevent duplication, and bring structure. Whether you want them neat and sequential or a little randomized, they have a role to play in every DataStage project. Let's break it down without making it sound like an algorithmic headache. You might think, why should I care about sequence numbers? Well, imagine a world without them. Duplicate data everywhere, no order, just absolute chaos. They help maintain consistency, track records accurately, and streamline automation. In short, they are the silent heroes of data management. And just like a good coffee in the morning, they keep things running smoothly. Now, let's talk about the column generator stage. It's basically your automatic number generator in DataStage. Want sequence numbers without breaking a sweat? This stage does it for you. Just configure a few properties and voila. A structured set of numbers appears like magic. If only life worked that way, right? Configuring the column generator is like setting up a conveyor belt. You decide where to start, how fast it moves, and when to reset. You define an initial value, set increments, and ensure it cycles properly when needed. Simple tweaks, but they make a huge impact on data automation. Let's get it configured without any tech-induced headaches. Cycle increment sounds complicated, but think of it like a digital odometer. When it reaches a max value, it resets and starts over. You get to define when and how this reset happens, ensuring smooth transitions in numbering. No more missing numbers or messy gaps, just crisp, clean data sequences. The transformer stage gives you full control over sequence numbers. Think of it like an artist's paintbrush. You can define conditions, modify sequences dynamically, and make numbering work exactly as you need it. Let's roll up our sleeves and craft custom sequences with ease. Before you generate numbers, you need to know where to start. That's where the tracker table comes in. It stores the latest sequence so you don't have duplicate entries or skipped values. Think of it as your numbering checkpoint. It remembers where you left off. Dynamic updates ensure sequence numbers keep up with your data needs, especially in high-speed environments. Whether you're dealing with massive datasets or multiple concurrent processes, this technique prevents collisions and ensures accuracy. Let's make sure your numbering system runs like a well-oiled machine. All right, folks, let's talk surrogate keys. These little lifesavers ensure each record gets its own VIP pass. No duplicates, no drama. Imagine assigning unique ID to superheroes. Batman never gets confused with Superman. They're automatically generated, meaning less work for you. Plus, databases love them, smooth retrieval, no chaos. Now, who wouldn't want that? Sequence tables are like the librarians of database numbering, keeping everything in perfect order. They store predefined numbers, ensuring there's no confusion. Need continuity. These tables have got your back. Data integrity stays intact, and record tracking becomes a breeze. Think of it like organizing your closet. Everything has its place and nothing goes missing. Transformers, no, not the robots, but database helpers, keep sequence counters running smoothly. They adjust dynamically, making sure numbers progress logically. Need to reset or increment. No problem. This prevents duplicates from sneaking in. Imagine a bakery. Each cake gets a unique label, preventing mix-ups. No one wants to grab a chocolate cake that turns out to be carrot. Updating sequence tables is like saving your work. Skip it, and things get messy. This process ensures no gaps, no inconsistencies. Whether it's tracking invoices or keeping historical numbering intact, accuracy is key. Think of it like recording high scores in a game. You wouldn't want to lose your top score, right? Unique sequence numbers are the security guards of your data. They stop duplicates from sneaking in. Each record gets its own number, reducing the risk of data corruption. For transaction processing, this is a lifesaver. Imagine buying concert tickets. Each seat must have a unique number, or else two people might end up fighting over the same front row spot. Sequence number generation has its best practices. Think of them like golden rules for smooth sailing. Automation makes life easier, regular monitoring ensures no surprises, and error handling keeps things secure. Optimization, that's the cherry on top. It's like running a tight ship, nothing falls out of place. So what have we learned today? A sequence number management is your best friend. It keeps records efficient, prevents chaos, and ensures accuracy. Follow best practices and your data stays in top shape. Think of it like managing a guest list. Everyone gets a unique seat and there's no confusion. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.